First of all, in this screen one, we go in the screen properties below, and there we have an option for where is it? There should be an option for keep the screen on, something like that. Most probably it is in the advanced properties. Okay, you see here, keep screen on. You have to take this. When you tick this, your audio will start playing continuously, and the screen will not dim or will not go off. So in that way you can keep on hearing the song. Okay, so this is very important in case of mp3 player. Okay, and in case of video also, whenever you play video, this keep screen should be ticked so that it keeps on playing. Okay, now let's go to our main page. Okay, here what happens, let's move to the block. See, we want to check here whenever initializes. Okay, here there is a condition. If it is not sign in, then it goes to sign in page, but if it is sign in, which means else. Okay, what we do, we don't have an option here, right? Else. Okay. Global profile picture. Okay, else if you are sign in, we'll do one thing here. We'll set the function else. What we will do, go to the Firebase authentication, and then here there is a function get current user. Okay, we'll search for the current user. Okay, every time we are here, we'll search for the current user. We'll check whether there is a current user or not. If there is a current user, which means where is it, there should be here. Yeah, current user success, and we also have current user failed. Okay, so now that we are signing. Okay, that means current user, that means it is saying that we are signing. Current user success means we are signing, or we are there is already a current user. So in that case we'll set the profile picture to the current user. So before that I want to grab this thing here, and then profile also this thing, which is very important. Okay, um, we'll do one thing. We'll take this. Okay, keep it here. So we set the profile picture. This will not be image, in this case it will be profile picture. Okay, we don't want this. And then if it fails, duplicate this. Okay, if there is no current user, in that case we will set the default picture or the default image. Let's go to the text and grab this blank, and then just write identity.png. If you have watched my earlier video, you will know what is this identity png. Let me show you again. Let's go to the asset, and here we should have identity. Where is it? Yeah, this is the one. Identity jpg, not png. This one will be displayed by default if not login. Okay, it should be jpg, right? Okay, now we don't need this, we can delete it. We don't need anymore this also, and this also, right? Okay, now let's go to our sign in page and reduce some code here. See, if we are signing from here, Then it takes this value. We don't need this value anymore. Yeah. So we will change this. Open another screen with the only with screen name, right? And this one we don't need more. Set it this to here. Okay. Yeah. Now let's test our app. Mm, okay. Generate. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. So now let's download and then let's open and then let's install. We are done. Now let's go to our app. Where is our app? Yeah, this is the one. Tap on the app and then tap on the menu. See, you can see my image. Earlier it was not seen, but now you can see the image. Okay, it's working fine. And then if I log out, let me check. Yes, when I log out, the image is changed. So when I tap on the login, it takes me here. And when I log in, I tap on login, there is an option. I logged in and then it should take me to the new page. Let me check. Yes, image is changed. So now it's working fine. This was problem earlier, so this is been fixed. And the other thing which is fixed is this. When I tap on the category and play one of the song, what happens? Okay, one more thing we need to fix here, this loading. Okay, buffering loading that goes round and round clockwise. That should the time, we will reduce the time. Let me pause as of now. Here we will do one thing. Let's go to the screen one, which is our playlist, and let's go to the design. Where is our clock? Yeah, status change. See, come to this status change and set the timer to 500 milliseconds. Okay, I think now it should work fine. The loading, otherwise it takes long time. In spite of playing the song, the loading is still be displayed for a few seconds. So we want to fix that, and that is the reason why we have reduced the timer interval to 500 milliseconds. So on reducing the timer interval to 500 milliseconds, what exactly happens here? It what do you call it? It does the operation very fast or execute. So let's generate again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. Now we are in our app. Let's tap one of the song and then tap play all. Okay, it's taking more longer time, so mm, maybe we can do one thing. Let's set it to close this, and then let's do like this. Let's set it to 750 millisecond, right? 750 millisecond, and then save the project. Let's see how it is right now. Okay, download, and then let's see now. It's loading. No, it's a bit faster compared to before. Okay, we'll leave it 750 milliseconds. I think it should be fine. Let's go to next song and see. Yeah, it's a bit faster. Hmm. Okay, maybe we can do. You can try 600 milliseconds and 750 milliseconds. As for me, I will keep it here. Okay. Okay, let me go back and check the other song as well. YouTube music. Play all. Okay. Previous song. Previous song. Hmm. Yeah, fine. Okay. As of now, bye and take care. I'll see you in the next video tutorial of this series on creating online MP3 app.